Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to quickly change your wall colors and patterns in Heartopia without having to tap on every single wall one by one. First, when you are in build mode, just tap on the advanced mode feature like this at the top right corner. This one, just activate this mode like this, and then after that, just simply tap on this brush icon, this one, and then in here you will and then in here you can simply choose the color and the pattern that you like this, like this. You can choose many pattern on here, and here's a feature that is easy to miss. If you want to copy the exact color and pattern from another wall, just tap on the wall that you want to use as your reference. But first, just tap on this icon, this pipette icon, and then next just tap on the wall that you want to use as your preference. For example, I want to use this white wall as my preference, like this. Just tap on it, and then after that, just simply activate the single selections like this into continuous selections. And then after that, you can just uh, simply swipe across the walls that you want to change without tapping each wall individually like this. Just swipe the wall and the color will be changed automatically like this. You can see it like this. And okay, that's it. This will make decorating your house much faster, especially when you want multiple walls to have the same styles. And okay, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.